Good morning. In this presentation, we are going to see how we can trade in Mcx crude oil today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday. We know something had happened in crude oil market yesterday. The chart which you are viewing is an 5-minute chart. In order to have a detailed view about crude oil, now we are using 5-minute chart. You know that normally we used 1-hour chart. So this is the price action that happened on the previous day. That was on 19th, Tuesday. What we expected on Tuesday, we expected that market has got the potential to continue and stay in downtrend. You know that this is the price opening. You can see the price opening here. So what happened on Tuesday was that the price came down after the price opening. We know 5220 is a very major support zone. The market took the support many times. You can see how many times the market took the support around 5220. Again, we are saying that this is 5 minutes chart. So many times it consolidated here for a very long time and then it tried to move up. The upper side resistance was 5260. So what it tried, the market, this is the entire price action that happened. So the price couldn't break 5220. So it stayed in line with the average, the short-term moving average which we are using, and it completely stayed here and closed around 5240. This is the zone where the price closed, which made us to a conclusion that the price is well supported around 5220, and we had witnessed that the price didn't break this, even though we expected the market to stay in downtrend. But the second fact is that, so on the previous day, that was on 18th, the market took the resistance around 5260. So the price on 19th, the price couldn't create a new high. You can see that the high that was created on 18th, so that was on Monday. So the price didn't created a new high, so it took the support. So what happened yesterday? Yesterday the price opened just above the previous day's price closing, and we would have seen the LTP after the price opening staying somewhere around 5260. So the price opened above that. It has created above the high of Monday's high, opened above the Monday's high. So what we expected was very clear. Till 5220, we gave two options. For buyers, the price should sustain this 5220 like how it sustained on the previous day. So for sellers, the price should break 5220. So unless until the price breaks 5220, we can not expect the price to fall down. So this is what all the technical details we had. So from the price opening, so we can predict the price opening. We had predicted the price opening yesterday. The price is likely to open somewhere around 5260, and these are the details we had. So what we expected, let us see that 5000, the price took the support around 5260, and it slowly and continuously started climbing upward, stayed in line with the expectation for buyers. So it maintained this 5260 as a good support. But what happened in the late evening session, the price dropped down, tested 5260 once, then it couldn't create or break the high. The second, third time the price tested this 5260. At last, after breaking this 5260, you can see the price came down to 5220. This is the zone, the key zone. The way the price break the major support, this is always the way the price breaks a major support zone, a clear breakdown. So that induced a lot of selling. The price came down till 5130. And the price closed around 5160. So it was entirely dominated by the sellers in the late evening session. Why we had this detailed explanation? Let us go back and see the chart which we normally used to have, the 1-hour chart. So this is the reason why we follow the moving average, why we follow the support and resistance. The second most important thing, why we always request you to place a stop loss. So this is how, apart from the price opening, this is the area where the market really created a puzzle. So the price opening, this created a real thing. So this is how the market looks like. This is how the crude oil market behaves. So these are the various technical factors. We had explained it very clearly why the market why the market fell down yesterday. So what we can do today, we know the second fact. What we know was that from 5220 and 5320, this is the two zone where crude was maintaining for a very long time. If you go back and see the chart, the market was staying and consolidating within the zone for a very long time. So only yesterday we had a breakdown. So only yesterday the market clearly broke this support zone, which means that crude can go for a selling. So after a huge drop also, we can expect the market to go for a selling. The second important fact, today we have crude oil inventory report around 9:30 p.m. So that can give us a second clear direction. So what we expect today is that we expect that crude has got the potential to stay in the downtrend. So having 5220 as the major resistance zone. Till 5220 you can have as a stop loss zone, and also even you can extend this to the moving average of 5240 also. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session. Today we are expecting crude to continue its downtrend or its fall, and also wait for the inventory report. The third important fact, today evening we have lot of news around 7 o'clock, 8:30, and we have crude oil inventory report. So the evening session is going to be the most important thing. And today's expected price opening, it's going to be just below 5160. We can expect the market to open below 5160, which means you can expect the price to open somewhere around 5145 to 5150. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session. Thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.